201 is at the 6. He's doing a great job on the Bell 222, looking really smooth. Very nice. Taking it kind of slow because she's new to the hobby, but by next week, she's going to be doing Cuban H, backflips, inverts. Look at her go. Just a beautiful job. Oh my gosh, just bring it. Look at her go. Oh, what next? Look at this repertoire. Look at her go. Folks, this is truly grace in motion. Look at her go. Let's have the spin. Oh my gosh, they're born natural. Look at that. Nothing like a flight simulator, huh? Another argument for buying G5. If I keep plugging products, I think some advertising dollars should be coming my way. Look at her go. Grace under pressure. We got the whole package here, folks. Helicopters, girls. It's earth-based, so we're burning electric here. Indoor air, indoor batteries, all green. Very nice. April 22nd. Oh, look at her go. So close. Look at that. Very nice. Maybe she'll do some taxiing for us. Try a little taxiing. There we go. Bring it down a little bit. There you go. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Down. Oh. Whoa. Beautiful. Rolling takeoff. Oh, natural. And let's bring it back and cut her down. Look at her go. Oh my gosh. He's going to have a Blade 400 before you know it, folks. This is great. Cut. Alright.
I think it's...
Did we get it?